Greetings, fellow food explorers. Prepare to embark on a culinary journey that's as delightful as it is healthy, the delectable healthy chickpea wrap. In the next few moments, we'll explore the art of crafting this savory masterpiece, complete with exact measurements and pro tips that will guarantee culinary success. So, let's roll up our sleeves and dive right in. Ingredients. Before we set sail on this culinary adventure, let's gather our ingredients. 1 can, 15 ounces, of chickpeas, thoroughly drained and rinsed. 4 whole wheat tortillas, each approximately 8 inches in diameter. 2 cups of fresh spinach leaves. 1 cup of diced tomatoes. Half a cup of thinly sliced red onion. 1/4 cup of creamy tahini sauce. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. Salt and pepper to taste. Now that we have our culinary compass set, let's navigate through each step of this delicious voyage. Step 1. Crafting the chickpea filling. Begin by placing your thoroughly drained and rinsed chickpeas into a mixing bowl. With the expertise of a seasoned chef, use a fork to gently mash the chickpeas, aiming for a slightly chunky texture. Season the chickpeas with 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, and a dash of salt and pepper. Mix these aromatic spices evenly into the chickpeas. Drizzle 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice over the chickpea mixture. Carefully blend these flavors until they harmonize beautifully. Step 2. Crafting your chickpea wrap masterpiece. Lay out the whole wheat tortillas like a blank canvas, ready to be adorned with culinary artistry. Step 3. Setting the foundation. Our culinary masterpiece begins with a foundation of fresh spinach leaves. Distribute a generous portion of spinach on each tortilla. This lush green bed adds a delightful crunch and freshness to your creation. Step 4. The chickpea filling. Spoon a portion of the seasoned mashed chickpeas onto each tortilla, ensuring an even distribution of this flavorful core. Step 5. Adding vibrant colors. Sprinkle 1/4 cup of diced tomatoes onto each chickpea-filled tortilla. These vibrant red gems bring a burst of freshness and color. Next, enhance the visual and taste appeal with 2 tablespoons of thinly sliced red onions on each wrap. The onions offer a delightful crunch and a touch of zesty pizzazz. Step 6. The finishing touch. To infuse creamy richness and a hint of tanginess, drizzle 1/4 cup of creamy tahini sauce over each wrap. This sauce unites all the flavors in delicious harmony. Step 7. Rolling with finesse. Now, with a chef's precision, fold in the sides of your tortilla to encase all the delectable ingredients. Begin rolling the tortilla from the bottom, creating a secure and visually enticing wrap. Imagine you're creating a culinary masterpiece worthy of a gallery. Step 8. Savoring the culinary triumph. Congratulations, dear food explorer! Your healthy chickpea wrap is now ready to be savored. To make it easier to handle, you may choose to secure the wrap with a piece of parchment paper or foil. Delight in every bite of this nutritious and flavor-packed creation. For an elegant presentation, you can even cut it in half diagonally, revealing the culinary artistry within. Feel free to embark on your culinary journey with a spirit of creativity. Here are some ideas to inspire your customization. Elevate creaminess and healthy fats by adding slices of ripe avocado. Spice things up with a drizzle of hot sauce or a sprinkle of chili flakes for an extra kick. Experiment with different greens like arugula or kale to diversify the flavor and texture profile. You've just completed an extraordinary culinary voyage, crafting a healthy chickpea wrap that's quick, nutritious, and brimming with flavor. This recipe is perfect for those who crave a satisfying, wholesome meal without the fuss. Remember, cooking is not just about sustenance, It's an art, an adventure, and an opportunity to nourish both body and soul. So, seize your culinary compass, customize to your heart's content, and indulge in the gastronomic delight of your very own healthy chickpea wrap. Your taste buds will dance with joy, and your body will thank you for this culinary masterpiece. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this recipe useful, and for more empowering and enriching content, make sure to subscribe.